What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's deck activity na Dekogimiya and Mami Mikhail is went at the temple offering some delicious food to all of the monks. On Instagram post, Mami Mikhail posted on Instagram a short video clip and photos of Nadek. Mami Mikhail captioned it, "Let's make merry together. The monk is considering the food. Let's pray for this merit. Pray today. I have collected it as treasure to give happiness." As you can see, the mother and son offered unending support to everyone, which is, it is very good. Nadek Gimia also shared on Instagram the GF man today. It's been 2 months since the day he proposed to his girlfriend Urasaya. Princess Beer Band was so happy today sharing it to everyone. Today, on recess activity, Recess Beer Band was in her rest house in Thailand after her photo shoot last day. She got a big billboard in the road in Thailand, a big videos in the screen sharing the product from Uniqlo. Recess Beer Band was so blessed from it.